So let's look at some examples of basically stress states, and let's try to determine the stress tensor. So, is this correct? Let's look at it. Stress in the 2-2. Is this going to be, again, so remember, sigma ij is equal to fj over ai. So, pointing in the 2 direction, good. Normal to the plane on which it's acting in the 2 direction, good. Positive or negative? Positive. Excellent. What about this? This is going to be pointing in the 3 direction. Normal's in the 3 direction, but it should be negative because it's compressive. Ooh, I like this problem. Let's draw this state. So this is sigma 1, 1. So I'm going to be pulling out of the board 86, whatever it was. Sigma 1, 2, there's nothing. This is sigma 1, 3. So it's negative. So remember sigma 1, 3. So the normal will be at the top. It's going to be pointing in the one direction. This is my top face, so it needs to be pointing in the opposite direction here. And then like this here. Excellent. And this should be -8. 2, 2 direction is -37. This is sigma 2, 3, positive. So again, pointing in the positive 2 direction, the 3 here. So it's going to be like this. This is 3, and this should be like this. And then finally, in the 3, 3, here, this should be 14. And here we can see what's going on here. We're pulling in the 1, 1 positive, 2, 2 positive, and then in the 1, 2, yep, we're pulling here. That looks good. What about this one? 3, 3, 1, 1. What about, what would we call this? So this is going to be in the pointing in the one direction, 3, sigma 1, 3, positive. Good to go. Excellent. So this is how you would define or actually draw out, actually there's a couple more. This is the one that we saw previously that we just did. And then we can see here, sigma 1, 1. What about 1, 3 again? We've got 2, 2. We've got 3, 3. And we got sigma 1, 3. So we're good to go. Excellent. Fantastic. So we have done quite a bit now on the tensor, a couple of examples on the tensor, how to fill out our tensor definition and identify stresses. So now we are going to move into the next video and look at the engineering definition of strain and get into some infinitesimal strain theory, which will be highly mathematical. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.